Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. For the love of football. When he isn't making music or filming, reggae artist Kimani Marley, the son of music legend Bob Marley, is also passionate about the game of football. In an exclusive interview with E Prime, the Ruin My Heart crooner shared that whilst engaged in making the new album and filming, he also launched a local football team.
Well, working on a new album now. Been working on some scripts also. I'm in Falmouth. I'm back in my hometown, and I started a football team called Falmouth United. We won Major League last year. We're now in Confed on the way to National League. So, while doing what it is I am here to do, I'm also here to give back to the youth as well.
Kimani Marley will perform at Orlando City Stadium on January 10 during the halftime opening 2019 Florida Cup match between UEFA Champions League contender Ajax Amsterdam and Brazil's Flamengo. Scintillating live music and authentic cultural experiences. The Argelia Communications Group Kingston Music Week Festival is back. Scheduled for December 2 to 10, the 2018 festival continues with its own growing signature shows, a panel discussion, and supporting existing events which align with the music festival's purpose. The festivity continues tonight with the Hits 92 FM signature event, Hits at Kingston 10. The event features powerhouse performers including Samari I as a lineage and Deep Jai, with host popular disc jockey The Big One. Tomorrow, Fame 95 FM returns to Triple Century Sports Bar to present the youngest and brightest names in the entertainment industry at their signature event, Fame Up Next. That's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.